She want snack, go get it. She want snack, go get it. She want the spinach, go get it. She want the brick, go get it. She want this Gucci, you get it.
You know, what's this? I don't want this to be bothering y'all the whole time. Alright, so I'm back again with another video or whatever. I just took out my hair out of braids and I'm gonna just do this video for you guys or whatever. But I'm supposed to be doing my braids. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm about to do a slick back and you guys are gonna sit here and watch me do a slick back or whatever, like. But yeah, if you guys see me looking to the side, there's a mirror right here. So I'm about to use 2 scrunchies. I'm about to use Eco Styler. It's like $2 Eco Styler. Where my edges go? My edge control. Behold the edge booster, yo. This is the best edge control ever. Like, I don't know who made this, but like whoever made this, like God must have like just dropped them on the earth and was like, you're here to make edge control, and then they ain't got distracted. Like, they did not get distracted. Like, you know, in the Bible it's like, don't get distracted from what God put you here to do. That's probably what this person was put here to do, make edge control. Cause this edge control, like, I would dead pay $50 for this. But like, God, please don't raise this up. What was that? Don't raise this up to $50. This is only $8. Alright, so I'm about to start this video. This is it. Alright, so I'm about to just comb out my hair. Alright, I do have a lot of split ends. I'm about to just separate my hair. Like this. So it doesn't look all bunchy or whatever.
I have not put gel in my hair in forever. Like, y'all don't understand how long I've stayed away from gel. Like, bro, gel has not been my friend. Like, I feel like Eco think I've abandoned it. That's why I got this little bottle, like, summertime. And it's almost winter, and I haven't even really touched it. Like, look, there's still mad of it left in there. So I'm like, alright. Ow. Shoot, I forgot how this brush feels. Dang! I haven't had this much, like, tension and stuff on my hair in mad long. God.
Are you serious? Are you serious right now? And I have no type of other brushes, but I'll be fine with this. A whole bunch of the things on the brush fell out, so. All right. All right. So now back to all right. So now we're about to put a little bit of gel right here, little gel right here. A little bit of gel right here, here. Here. That's not a little bit. All right, so it's really not a little bit, but I mean, I hope it don't make my hair shrink too much. All right. And now, moment of truth, moment of slickness. It's getting a little slick. Problem, like, when will I not have a problem with this? Like, when will I not have a problem? I just want to know, like, all right. So after this, I kind of just keep brushing and brushing, and then I still kind of put a little more gel. I just keep kind of reapplying, because you want everything to lay. You want everything to lay. And then later on, you could take out your edges or whatever else you want to do. But you kind of just want everything to lay, which is what it's not doing right now for me. So, we might have to fight, but not yet. We're gonna have to fight up in this beat. All right. So, guys, I'm mad tight. You know, I'm about to just sit here and I'm really tight. Like, when I tell you I'm mad tight, you don't get it. I don't think y'all know. Like, have you ever, like, been taking a video on Snap and then, like, somebody that you don't even like or something call you and then, like, the whole video deletes? Like, that's how I feel right now. Like, it just stopped recording and then it deleted. I just don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Woo! My neck! Oh, my neck, my neck, my neck, my neck.
Alright, so my neck is better. Like, I don't know what happened to my neck. But yeah, something happened. So I'm about to just put a little more gel on this because I think the gel had like kind of dried out. And I'm about to finish applying my edge control to my hair. And finish it up and then do my edges and then just like finish. So my sister had asked me how was the hospital. And I was like, it's good. They took a picture of my breasts.
What did I do? What did I do after that? So, it was actually a day that I stayed home from school. It was a day that I stayed home from school. And I kind of get scared. No, actually, she told me not to look it up, but I was just like, I look that up. Like, what does she think she is? She's telling me not to look stuff up. And then she told me that. I feel like she's not like, or at least kind of believe that it was in me. So since I lost my other like, I might just make another one thing. But I feel like this look back looks mad little. I feel like it's far, like, and I have a lot of split ends. I know y'all see that. I do have a lot of split ends. But yeah. Yeah. So I feel like I'm being boring now. So honestly, I'm just gonna end this video right here. Have a nice day, y'all, or whatever time y'all watching this. 12 o'clock in the nighttime, like whatever. I love y'all. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I hope y'all like this look back. You know, it do look a little bad, but I'm fine with that. My forehead is humongous. Like, I know y'all see that. My forehead is huge. Like, all right. Dragged it, stretched it.